Hi everyone, this is Gus Serrano with MarineMax in Miami, located at 700 Northeast 79th Street. I'm gonna do the walkthrough video on the brand new 2018 257 Fisherman Grady-White. Robert, come this way. As you can see, this is an authentic, true North Carolina build. You can perceive the Carolina flair on this boat. It's a great ride, dry ride, and if you come this way, Robert, you can follow the lines of the gunnel. Grady-White does an amazing job cutting the gunnel, the midship, giving that sexy look that this boat has. Phenomenal build. You see the steps. It's a great ride. Let's go to the transom. The propulsion on this boat is twin 200 Yamahas. It's a great system. This boat runs very well, 40 plus miles an hour. Notice trim tabs, stainless steel accessories, great access in the transom. You see a lot of space between the outboards and the transom, so great for going in and out the boat. Very easy to do that. Another thing I like to highlight, this boat has fish box here, proper drainage, live well bait for your bait. Here we go. LED lights inside. State-of-the-art upholstery. Notice the quality of this upholstery. Grady-White is very well known for that. I like this flip down seat. Very comfortable after a day of fishing. Great boat, great setup. A lot of room for a 26-footer, pretty much. Rocket launchers, tackle station, the Yeti cooler, more rocket launchers there, roll holders all over the place. I like the fact that you have room for the rods on one side, on the starboard side, on the port side, and this is a nice feature, very well designed by a Grady-White. You put your feet here and you fight that fish that's giving you trouble, so it's very secure, very nicely done. And if we go to the helm, a lot of room to put a nice GPS. Here's your Yamaha computer, your trim tabs display with the lights, control switch for the anchor windlass, and your remote control. Notice also it has a wraparound windshield and power coated T-top. So this boat really screams quality. Going this way, you see a party with a lot of room here. A lot of people use it for storage, but it's really has a lot of clearance. Very well done by Grady-White, and it has a pump out also system. Another thing that you're gonna notice is you have the cushion for on top of the bow, so you can either fish from here on the flats, or you just can lay in the sun and enjoy a great day out in the ocean. You can this way, Robert. I like to point the engine flash system, so after you're done with the boat, you can plug the hoses and you'll be rinsing the salt out of the outboards. Very nicely done. Battery switches, your raw water, your freshwater system. This boat really has it all. It's a 25-footer. It's a great fishing machine. Guys, we're here in MarineMax Miami, 700 Northeast 79th Street. Please call us, come by. We'll be more than happy to help you to get this beautiful boat. Hope to see you soon.